In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this very beautiful and super easy beginners friendly crochet top. It is really easy and has a very cute pattern in it. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. This is the measurement of the top. Take a screenshot because you will be making your dress based on the measurement. We will take 4 ply cotton yarn and 3 mm crochet hook and a yarn cutoff. I am following the measurement of a small sized top, so for that I am doing 80 chains. The number of chains will depend on the width of your top. So based on the screenshot that you took before, you will make the number of chains. So I have made a total of 80 chains. It will be preferable if you make an even number of chains. Okay. So 80 chains will give the width I need. We will begin the first row. We will skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch. And we will be doing 1/2 double crochet stitch in each and every chain in this way. First round is completed. We will now begin the next round. I am doing the measurement. Make sure that it suits the width of the dress you are making. We will do a chain 1 and turn our work. In the first stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet in the second loop of the stitches. So insert your hook in the second loop of the stitch. There are 2 loops visible, so insert your hook in the second loop. Okay, and draw the yarn through it and do a 1/2 double crochet stitch. From now on we will be doing all the stitches in the second loop of the stitch until the last round. Okay, so we will be doing 1/2 double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. So this round is also having total 79 half double crochet stitches. We will quickly complete this round. So round 2 is also completed. We will similarly do the round 3. We will just repeat the round 2. Okay, so round 3 to round 6 are going to be the same as the round 2. Okay, as you can see in the written directions on top of the screen. So round 3 is also completed. We have completed 6 rounds. Now we will be doing the round 7. As usual, begin with a chain 1 and turn your work. In the first stitch we will do 1/2 double crochet stitch. We will do a chain 1. We will skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch we will be doing 1/2 double crochet. Do a chain 1, skip the following stitch, and in the next stitch we will be doing 1/2 double crochet stitch. Just remember to do the stitches in the second loop of the stitches. Okay, we will repeat this pattern, that is 1/2 double crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch do 1/2 double crochet stitch and repeat it. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch do a 1/2 double crochet, and we will complete this round in the same way. And this is going to be the pattern. We will now repeat row 1 to 7 for 6 more times based on the small size, or more number of times based on the size you are following. Okay, I will show you just the row 8 because in this case we will be doing 1/2 double crochet in the stitches of the last round and 1/2 double crochet in the chain 1 spaces of the last round, and we will complete this round in the same manner. We are going to have 79 half double crochets in this round 2. So we will quickly complete this round and repeat as I said earlier, that is repeat row 1 to row 7 for 6 or more number of times, and when you have done that, just do 6 extra rounds of 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. Okay, this pattern is really simple, you can play with your own design. Just repeat the pattern and your beautiful front panel of the dress will be ready. I have done 2 such groups already. We will be doing the remaining rounds also. And don't forget to do the last 6 rounds of 1 half double crochet stitches. Okay, like this. We are going to complete the last round. And after that, we will have a pattern change. We are now going to make the pattern for the sleeves. Okay, so we will begin it. For that, we will do chain 5. This is the first triple crochet stitch of this round. Turn your work. In the next stitches, we will be doing the triple crochet stitches in both the loops of the stitches. So yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, draw the yarn through it and do a triple crochet stitch in this way, and do 18 more triple crochets in the following 18 stitches. 1 triple crochet in each of the stitches. So we are having a total of 20 triple crochet stitches, taking the first chain 5 as a triple crochet in the first 20 stitch, and it's done. Now this is the width of the sleeves you want. Completely based on the measurement of your sleeves, at the end do a chain 1, cut the yarn keeping a long tail, and the first part of the sleeve is done. Similarly, we will do the same thing on the other end also. So take the yarn, make a slip knot, insert the hook. Now in the 20th stitch from the other side, just insert your hook there, do a slip stitch followed by chain 5, and in the next 19 stitches just do 1 triple crochet in each one of those. In this way, repeat it till the end. And at the end, after the last triple crochet stitch, we will do a chain 1, cut the yarn keeping a long tail. So this is the front panel of your top. We will do an exactly same panel, which is going to be the back side of your top. Okay, so we have completed the sleeves, the neck portion, and also the back panel too. Now we will be joining both the panels together to form our top. Isn't this easy? So at first we will be joining the sleeves. So take a yarn needle, insert the long tail that you kept for sewing, and now we will sew each and every stitch of the sleeves one by one in this way, neatly. Your stitching should be very neat as this is going to be a top. We are sewing on the inside portion of the top so that the stitching is not visible from the outside when you wear your dress. So we will quickly complete the sewing of one sleeve, at the end we will just tie a knot in this manner, and now we will weave in the loose ends, that is we will hide the extra portion of the yarn in the stitches like this. You may cut the extra portion of the yarn, or you can repeat hiding it in the alternating stitches, and then just tie a knot with another yarn, and finally cut out the extra portion of the yarn and weave it inside the stitches. Okay, so one sleeve is done. We will be doing the other one in exactly the same way. So both the sleeves have been attached. Now we will be doing the stitches on the side portion, keeping an empty space for the armhole. So one side has been stitched already. We will do the same thing on the other side. Before stitching it, just mark the position from the top with a stitch marker till the row where you will continue your stitches, and keep the remaining portion empty. This is going to be the armhole. Do the measurements accordingly for the armhole and keep the empty space like this. And now we will start stitching this side. For that, take the yarn, pass it through the needle. We will start the stitches from the lower portion of the top. Since I took another yarn, so we will tie a knot at first and start stitching the stitches. Start sewing the stitches one by one neatly. So this step is really easy. We will quickly complete sewing our sides of the top one by one. Till the point where the stitch marker is inserted. Okay, like this. So when we have completed it, at the end just tie a knot in this way and cut out the extra portion of the yarn and hide the yarn in the stitches as I showed you earlier. Like this. So with this our tutorial comes to an end. We will cut out and hide all the loose ends of the yarn in our top and neaten up our project. And it's done. So finally our beautiful mesh-like designed top is ready. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's comfortable, it's breezy, and it's completely a beautiful fit. Just make sure that your measurements is correct and do the pattern accordingly. Start with even number of chains and your beautiful top will be ready in no time. So this is the end result. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of tutorials. I will just make those for you. And please subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting my channel. Thank you and have a great day, and subscribe to my channel.